Hello dear Cancer, welcome to the channel and this is your third week's exclusive love reading plus career reading for the month of July. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. In your career, you've got the Nine of Spheres and the Death card. I do see that you're hoping for some sort of success and abundance to come your way, right? You've got a very good card and that is a Death card. Now this card is usually not very good if considered in a love life, but for career it brings huge and big changes in your life, right? Definitely it is also associated with endings. That means something in your life is going to end in the third week. I do see that a major change is about to knock on your door. So if you're looking to end a job and start something else, go for higher studies, start a business or change a job, this is a perfect time for you because that big change, that big move that you're waiting for is going to come in the third week. This is also a card of major transformation, right? If you choose to make that change, whether that's external or internal, that depends on you. A major transformation is also waiting for you. I also see that something internally will also be changing for you. If you have been very negative about your success, your money, your career, I'll never grow, I'll never reach that position, I'll never be able to earn that much, right? All that is going to change. A positive transformation is going to come into your life. So if you have been negative, please start working on yourself, make the necessary changes. Also, I do see if you think that your health is affecting you from reaching your goals, your negative thinking is affecting you, or if you're lacking some skills, please make the required changes. Work on yourself, work on your skills, gain more knowledge, anything that is required you to take you to that level that you really want to be because it is very much in your reach, I would say. Get ready for major changes this week, huge transformations, new opportunities will be knocking your door. Let's see what's happening in your personal life now. You've got the Cardinal card and the Chariot card. I do see that in your personal life, you're taking a very brave step. Something that you've never done before or something that you're very scared to do. Probably you have been scared to be in a relationship after your past experiences, right? Now you will be starting that relationship. If you have been in a relationship or if you have been single, it is marriage can be scary. The next move can be scary, right? Relationships are comfortable, but marriage is a huge change. Now you are going to move forward towards that also. So if you are single, your status can change to relationship or marriage. If you are already in a relationship, your status can change to married. And if you're already married, your status can change to having kids now, or probably you both are traveling together, buying a house together. You are definitely moving forward in your life, no matter what your situation is, relationship or marriage. This applies to all of you out there. Your stuck life is going to start moving forward now. Some sort of change is going to come here also in a forward movement, right? So that stuck wheel or the stuck car will start moving forward in your life. So it's a beautiful card. I also see that you will be traveling this week, or at least you're planning or thinking of traveling. If you are in a long distance, then either your partner or you will travel to meet each other or you're traveling together. But any which ways, it is bringing a forward movement, a positive movement in your relationships, in your love life, right? So if you thought that there were some sort of relationship issues or things were just feeling a lot of stuck and not moving forward, this week you will see that everything is, you know, aligning itself in a way. So that is going to be very good for you. Overall, if I see and look at this week, Cancer, this is going to be beautiful for you because it is bringing a lot of big and beautiful changes for you. So get ready for it. And if you would want to claim the positive reading, please comment, I claim this reading. I manifest this reading so that it reaches you faster. And this was a general reading. If you have your own personal questions regarding your own life, you're free to book a personal reading. Personal readings are chargeable. You can book it, you can get to know the prices. Please follow me on Instagram handle the Moksha Tarot because you'll get to know the prices from my daily basis stories. And yes, I have a host of services available with me, including spiritual counseling sessions and rituals also, exclusive love readings and exclusive no contact readings along with packages. So check out the description box for more details. I will be waiting to hear from you soon. I hope you enjoyed your reading. If you did, please do like and subscribe. Also, Follow me on Instagram and show some love to that new channel. Take care of yourself. I will see you very soon. Bye bye.